Hey everyone, just getting to it here. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna be looking at John Deere stuff again today. So, I'm probably looking at my most favorite John Deere tractors, the John Deere X750, and I know I've told you guys that was my favorite one. So, but anyways, I'm gonna be looking at that today, and gonna be looking at that today. So, and I'm probably gonna be looking at probably gonna be looking at some um I'm gonna be looking at some John Deere snowblower attachments. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing here today. So I'm gonna be looking at John Deere tractors today. So anyways, I will talk to you guys next time, alright? I just want to let you guys know that if I'm gonna be. I just want to let you guys know if I'm gonna be doing here today. It's gonna be. Shut up, you guys. So anyways, I just want to let you guys know if I'm gonna be doing here today. Gonna be looking at so anyways, I'm gonna be looking at John Deere lawn tractors. So alright, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Alright, see you.